Hey there, Photoshop enthusiasts. Welcome back to Seasoned Pickersz, your go-to spot for unraveling the mysteries of digital artistry. Today, we're diving into the magical realm of blending modes in Photoshop. Get ready for a tutorial that demystifies blending modes and unlocks a world of creative possibilities. Let's jump in. Blending modes, the wizards of Photoshop that can transform your images with a single click. But what exactly are they, and how can you use them to elevate your creations? Buckle up, we're demystifying blending modes today. To access blending modes, head over to the Layers panel and look for the drop-down menu that says Normal. Click it, and behold, a menu of blending mode wonders. It's like a treasure chest of creative potential. Get ready to choose your artistic weapon. Now, let's delve into some popular blending modes and understand their superpowers. From Multiply for deepening shadows to Screen for a dreamy glow, each blending mode adds a unique touch to your artwork. It's like having a palette of digital paints at your disposal. Let's kick things off with a practical example. Ever wanted to add realistic shadows to your artwork? Enter Multiply mode. Watch as we cast shadows that seamlessly blend into the canvas. Shadows that feel like they belong. Now, let's add a touch of magic with Screen mode. Perfect for creating dreamy glows and ethereal effects. It's like adding a layer of enchantment to your compositions. Watch as the colors come alive with a celestial radiance. Each blending mode is a brushstroke on the canvas of your imagination. Your art, your rules. And there you have it, blending modes demystified. If you found this tutorial enlightening, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Photoshop revelations, and hit that bell to stay informed. Thanks for joining us today at Seasoned Pickersz. Until next time, keep blending, keep creating, and I'll catch you in the next video.